Solving equations, this is the bread and butter of algebra. You should be a pro at this. So you know I don't like subtract 3x. I'm going to change that to plus negative 3x. There we go, much better. Now, I just need to solve for x. It means I only want x in one spot and all the numbers on the other side. So let's get rid of those parentheses first. I'm going to take 7 times x. Let's rewrite my problem. We'll have 7 equals 7 times x gives me 7x. 7 times 3 will give me 21. And I still have the negative 3x. Okay, I can combine like terms as long as they're on the same side. Okay, if I had the 7x over here and the negative 3x on this side, I'd have to do some algebra work to get them moved. But this 7x and this negative 3x right here are on the same side, so I can combine them. Okay, and when I'm combine them, I just add their coefficients and I get 4x. From here, I'm just going to talk you through it real quick. You need to get the 21 to go away. It's a positive 21. How are you going to do that? Hopefully you said subtract 21. Then after you do that, you're going to have to get rid of this 4. It's hooked to the x by multiplication. How do you undo that? By division. That should give you your answer. Now, your answer may not look like theirs. There's some answers in here as possibilities that are in mixed fraction form. So for example, if you got the answer 7/2 for your final answer, you'd have to look over here and see which one of those expressions was the same as 7/2. Hopefully you remember how to go from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. I do tend to use improper fractions all the time, and we haven't used a lot through this course as far as mixed fractions because I don't like them as much. However, you need to know how to go from mixed fraction to an improper fraction, so let me remind you how to do that. If you have a mixed fraction here, that means you have a big whole number and you also have a fraction. Okay, you just take the denominator times the whole number, and then you add the numerator. So I'd go 2 times 3 is 6, I'd add 1 is 7, and then the denominator stays the same. So that's how you go from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. I know you learned that a long time ago, but I wanted to remind you. So if indeed you end up getting an improper fraction for your answer, make sure you go over here and check and see which one corresponds to it.